What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I don't know what we're gonna be doing today, but depending on what the title of the video is, I'm sure you know what it is. So I'm gonna go to Victor's house and we'll see what's up. And I know for a fact I'm gonna be ordering tires today because your boy needs some new tires on this car. Might throw on the JDM Emblem today, not sure. We'll see what's up with that. So I'll catch you guys in a bit. I seriously can't wait for Victor's rims to come in. It's gonna make that car look so much better. Like, it's gonna look sick. My Domo Batman is fading away. No. I bought him at Six Flags, but Six Flags Magic Mountain here in California. But like, last time I went back, I couldn't find another one, so I might have to look for it online, which sucks. That looks clean. But just to get another look. Clean. Just made the purchase for the tires, so I actually ended up going with some Sumitomo tires, the HTRZ3s. They're the summer tires, that I believe that's what they're called. I went with 225 by 45. I'm only lowered on Eibach springs, so I shouldn't rub, and I really did my research and everything. And the offset to the wheels that I have right now are plus 33 with the specs 17 by 9. I should be fine. I'm not gonna rub, and if I do, then I'll just roll the fender slightly. It's fine. It's not a big deal. And plus, I'm not stanced or anything, so it's not gonna make a major difference. Because right now I'm currently running 215 by 35. It's a huge stretch and it's a thinner tire, but some more meat on it, I should be able to get better traction and better handling, whatever, everything. It should, all of the above is gonna be better. Shout out to MTW in Oxnard. Always has the best tire prices around. Funny thing is, he remembered me and he was like, I ordered them for you, they'll be here the next day, and I'll install them for you at a good price and blah 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 blah. Because I bought my white rims from him before, and everybody's saying that my rims are not Avid AV20s. They're Avid AV20s. Like, when I got them, they don't make them anymore, but when I got them, it was like one of the last few batches. These guys right here at MTW happened to have ordered it. The guy didn't like how it looked, so they put them on display. I got them at a cheap price, so that's why I have them at my specs. They don't make them at my specs anymore. The rest, they only make them at 5 by 100 now. They don't make them 5 by 114.3. They don't make those anymore. That's what are used for.
Heat gun.
Heat gun. Hey, I think we found it. Came to Home Depot real quick to try to find some heat gun. Don't want to get copyrighted because there's music playing in the background, so yeah, I'll get back to you guys in a bit. I'm gonna go ahead and try this one out. It's only 20 bucks, so why not? I mean, that should be hot enough to take off an emblem, to help take off an emblem. What has the button? There's buttons here?
No,
I don't need buttons. I probably should have gotten all of this equipment a long time ago, but your boy's lazy. Just ask Victor.
he's lazy.
Okay, so to get things started, we parked the car right here in reverse. We have the heat gun. It's pretty cool. So, one mode, low mode, high mode. Really convenient. Fishing wire, just to get around the angles. And last but not least, our red JDM emblems. So that one's in the front, that's the front one, that's the rear. We're gonna do the rear first, just because the rear is a lot harder to do. So first things first, you have to clean this out. This is just contact cleaner. I got it from Home Depot. So. I might as well just clean the whole car with this. Damn, something shiny. Next step, we're gonna be using the heat gun. We're gonna go on it for about a couple minutes. When you guys are using the heat gun, make sure you're moving. Make sure you're constantly moving. That way you don't damage the paint that's on it right now, because the heat gun will damage your car's paint. And to be sure, you're at least 2 to 3 inches away from the car. Got the fishing wire, and you're slowly moving it through. I recommend fishing wire because it is the easiest way to take this emblem out. Just start, give it a little bit of force, Look at that. Just popped right out. Nice. This is pretty hot still. So that's like whatever. Again, get your multi-cleaner. Look at that, it just came right off. I probably should be using like goo off or whatever you guys want to call it, but it's fine. It's not gonna do any major damage to your car. Watch tomorrow, my paint's chipping. I'll give you guys a heads up by tomorrow. So when you guys notice right here, so this is the rear one that's gonna be going right here. When you guys notice, clips do not line up with the car. So you're just gonna be using the tape that's on it to keep it in place with it. Now the reason why for that is, I mean, it's pretty simple. This is a USDM trunk from America. This is a JDM emblem from Japan. You know. So that's why they don't line up. So you guys gotta rip these clips off like that. Just come off easily. You're gonna take the tape off and you're gonna line it up right there. Don't mess up. Too late now. Give it a lot of pressure.
It's crooked.
I know. Should we go with my big ass on it? Watch it just like pop off as I drive. Like, there you go. Goodbye, dollars. That's basically it. Let's move on to the front now. Fronts are gonna be a little easier. My bad, no they're not. I might have to get that ding up here in the front. Oh, there it is. Just gotta work your way around it. Giving you guys a heads up, these tend to break when you're taking them off. So if I can get this, it's already breaking right there, but look at that. That's a huge clip holding it from the back. No going back now, dude. Take all this bish off. Oh look, it's a end. No going back now, boys. Dude, I sweat so easily, it's really annoying. And I'm just putting a damn emblem on. So I ended up cleaning it up a little bit right here already. Cleaning this. I ended up taking off the clips in the back just because mine didn't fit, and then these ones I can't get out, so I did everything I can to take those out, and I don't want to take off the bumper. So we're gonna go ahead and just line this up with it right here. Push forward. Give it some good elbow grease. If I don't like it, I'm gonna do a conversion to the facelift, and you're done. Knowing me, this took me at least an hour to do front and back, so that's why it got dark so quick. It doesn't look bad. It looks like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. I originally wanted to get the black tint, so I'm not gonna keep it red for long. I am gonna get some black tint to cover the red to black. So I know before I stated that I was never gonna get the red JDM emblems, but I mean, I got a good deal on it and couldn't really say no. I really wanted to put it on for Christmas, but I got caught up with work and I wasn't able to do it. I thought this guy was about to get pulled over, but it was the ambulance. I bet you that Domino's guy was shitting bricks right now. Whoa, what's going on? Okay, well here comes the fire department. We're down. Brought it back to the next day, so today's the next morning of everything else. As you guys are looking at it right now, it looks a lot better in the daytime. You couldn't really see it at night, so I just wanted to I wanted to finish up the vlog during the day, that way you guys can see it on how it looks in the morning. It looks pretty bad. I'm pretty sure there has been plenty of install videos of this, but I wanted to do it more like a vlog for you guys instead of just an install video, because if it was just an install video, it would have been like maybe 3-4 minutes. So wanted to give you guys another vlog on that. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I do got the tires coming in. Today's Wednesday, so they should be in tomorrow. They should be in today, but I work at 2 and I don't have time to go do it because it won't be here till 2:30, so there's no point. So I'm gonna go get them installed tomorrow, and I'll see you guys then. Until then, you guys have a good day. Stay classy. Peace.